Hello and welcome to another video. So today I have this flame speaker. So this is a outdoor sort of ambience enhancing speaker. Looks like there's flames coming out of it. I'm just trying to get some stuff for the patio for the summertime. So I think this should be a good addition to add some ambience for the springtime. So here's some information on it. Has a wireless transmission of greater than 10 meters, so you could have your phone charging sort of indoors and it'll still continue to play the music. 5-watt power output speakers. Has a lithium battery with 3600 milliamp hours, so it shouldn't last very long, but at least a few hours. Let's open it up and see what's inside. There's a warranty card in there. Here's the speaker manual. Okay, shouldn't be too complicated. There's a next button, play pause button, and a micro USB seems like charging port. Okay, doesn't really tell you how long the battery's supposed to last, but I guess that depends on how loudly you're playing it. Okay. So this is the speaker. There's this nice chrome finish on top here to kind of let you know that it is a speaker, and there's a button to turn on the light. And you can mount it on, say, your well, the design does look waterproof, but seems like you can mount it on yep, it is waterproof because you can see how the power port seals off. You can mount it on your deck or anything like that, or any kind of tripod. You have the standard mount screw right there. Feels pretty sturdy. It is a plastic material, but it's like a sturdy plastic material. Up here it feels like a almost soft touch black material. I'm gonna put it down here. I'm gonna connect it to my Bluetooth. Let's turn it on for the first time. Okay, let's see what pops up here. It's blinking, so I'm assuming it's in pair mode. Okay. All right, so it's connected. Let's hit the light here. Okay, so you see the flashing light here. So essentially, even if it's, let's turn it off and see what happens. So turn it off and you can still have the light on even when it's turned off. So you can use the internal battery as a little light. So it, when it's dark out, it will look like there's a flame in there because this looks like a lantern. You can mount it on a stick to make it look like a Hawaiian lamp. But let's turn it back on and see if it automatically connects to my Bluetooth again. And so it automatically connected. I'm gonna pull up some royalty-free music. So it gets pretty loud. This is the lowest volume. Okay, so it gets pretty loud. Definitely happy with the audio quality and the loudness. the speaker. I think it'll be a great addition to my outside deck area as far as the lighting as well as the loudness of the speaker. And you can use this to play, pause your audio, turn up and down the volume. So I'm definitely happy with the product. Let's see if the volume up and down works. Yep, the volume up and down works all the way down and up. If you double click this, it's like next, and you can use it to play, pause. So buttons work, but this is a nice rubberized material. Just touching it, it feels high quality, but when you click it, the click sound, makes it feel a little cheap. But otherwise, overall, the product feels really sturdy, really high quality. I like that there's a mount on the bottom. A really good quality product. I'm really happy with it. I'll leave a link to the Amazon product down in the description as usual. But thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you on the next one.